I have the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2. Let me show you how to set an alarm on this watch. Just go to the main menu, and on the main menu, scroll down and find alarms. Here we are. Tap on that, and then let's go ahead and add our first alarm. Tap on that. So choose a time for your alarm. So for instance, if I want mine at 6 a.m., I'll choose the hour and minutes that I want. So that's 6:00 for me. That's 6 o'clock. Then tap on the check mark, and then choose on which days you want your alarm to sound. I want mine on every weekday, so Monday, Tuesday, all the way through Friday, and leave out Sunday and Saturday. So tap on the check mark, and that's going to set your alarm. It's literally that simple. Now you can turn off an alarm at any point that you want. So you can turn it off and on like that. And also you can set more than one alarm. So if you want to set another alarm, just tap on the check mark and you can set another alarm like that. And you can set as many alarms as you want on this watch. Now you can tap on any alarm at any time. And let me just go back. So these are the alarms. You can tap on an alarm at any time and delete that alarm like that. Okay. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.